Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter
Noon.
Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter
Noon.
Noon is equivalent to the English letter N as in 9. Noon has almost the shape of a half-open circle, with a dot over it. Now try to write it with me. Let's see the three basic voweling signs, when used with
Noon.
First, here's the fatha. The pronunciation now will be
Na.
Next, this is a kasra. The pronunciation now will be
Ni.
And finally, there's a dhamma, it, now pronounced as
Noom.
Listen again.
Na. Ni. Noom.
Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When
Noon.
is written with fatha mark, the pronunciation now will be
Na.
Try to write it with fatha mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Nahr.
Means river.
Na. He. Ri. Nahr.
Now let's join these letters together.
Na. He. Ri. Nahr.
When
Noon.
is written with kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
Ni.
Try to write it with kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Nisf.
Means half.
Ni. Fi. Fi. Nisf.
Now let's join these letters together.
Ni. Fi. Fi. Nisf.
When
Noon.
is written with dhamma mark, the pronunciation now will be
Noom.
Try to write it with dhamma mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Nuqat.
Means points or dots.
Noom. Q. طي. نقط.
Now let's join these letters together.
نون ق طي نقط
The letter
نون
has four possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like,
نحت
means sculpture or carving.
ن ح تي نحت
Now let's join these letters together.
ن ح تي نحت
And next,
نفق
means tunnel.
ن ف قي نفق
Now let's join these letters together.
ن ف قي نفق
Here's how to write the middle form. Like,
كنز
means treasure.
ك ني ز كنز
Now let's join these letters together.
ك ني ز كنز
And next,
منذ
means since.
و ني ذو منذ
Now let's join these letters together.
و ني ذو منذ
When those exception letters come before the letter
نون
it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example,
أنا
means I.
أ ن ن أنا
Now let's join these letters together.
أ ن ن أنا
And next,
أرنب
means rabbit.
أ ر ن ب أرنب
Now let's join these letters together.
أ ر ن ب أرنب.
Here is how to write the end form. Like,
خشن
means rough.
خ ش ني خشن.
Now let's join these letters together.
خ ش ني خشن.
And next,
نحن
means we.
ن ح نو نحن.
Now let's join these letters together.
ن ح نو نحن.
And next,
رنين
means ringing.
را ني ي ني رنين.
Now let's join these letters together.
را ني يي ني رنين
When those exception letters come before the letter,
نون
it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
فرن
means oven.
فو ر ني فرن
Now let's join these letters together.
فو ر ني فرن.
And next.
كون
Means universe.
ك و ني كون.
Now let's join these letters together.
ك و ني كون.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions. Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.